SimpliSafe Smart Lock is the latest addition to the SimpliSafe security ecosystem. We love to see SimpliSafe expanding its affordable, sleek security equipment, but this lock comes with a few caveats. In this video, we're going to look at all the ins and outs of the SimpliSafe Smart Lock and reveal the 3 things you need to consider before you click buy. And make sure you get all of our new videos posted at least twice a week when you like and subscribe to this channel. And you can also find all of our recommendations for the best smart door locks at Safewise.com. See the link in the description box below. The SimpliSafe Smart Lock brings this DIY security champ one step closer to delivering a full smart home security setup. Like all of SimpliSafe's offerings, it's, well, simple. That makes it easy to install, easy to control, and easy on your wallet. But beyond those typical SimpliSafe perks, there are 3 important things to understand before you set your heart on this smart lock: the look, the function, and the extras. The SimpliSafe Smart Lock works with your existing deadbolt. There's no need to replace the whole thing and no extra cost. But even though it works with most deadbolts, there are some that aren't compatible. The best way to figure out if your deadbolt and this smart lock are a match is to check out SimpliSafe's online installation guide. Basically, if you've got a single cylinder deadbolt with a keyhole on the outside and a thumb turn on the inside, you're good to go. So, just like a facelift, you're working with your existing raw materials. But in addition to improving the looks of your door, the SimpliSafe Smart Lock makes your door function better. Let's visit the looks department first. This is the thinnest smart lock I've seen, and the keypad continues that small, sleek profile. Most smart locks are giant and bulky. This one's not. It also comes in 3 finishes: SimpliSafe's traditional favorite, white, burnished bronze, and an obsidian. But beyond the aesthetics, the SimpliSafe Smart Lock transforms your regular old dumb front door into a smart one with an electronic lock that adds both security and convenience. Say goodbye to keys. You can open this lock with a pin that you key in or through SimpliSafe's mobile app. The Simpli lock feature lets you set a timer for the door to lock itself. So if you've got kids or roomies or anyone else who tends to leave the door unlocked, you don't have to worry about them anymore. Simpli Lock will automatically lock the door after it's been open for 1, 2, 5, or however many minutes you choose. That means no more panicked running down the stairs to make sure that the front door is locked at 2 in the morning. I've done that. And you get all of this facelift action for way less than a real facelift. The lock and 1 keypad start at just $99. And just a little trivia. The average cost of a facelift in America in 2019 was around $7,500. It's definitely the cheapest smart lock on the market. This lock works best when it's part of a full SimpliSafe security system that uses the interactive monitoring plan. If you like those features we just talked about, you might be disappointed to learn that some of them don't come with the SimpliSafe Smart Lock straight out of the box. Mobile app control is only available with SimpliSafe's interactive monitoring plan. You only get that when you have a SimpliSafe security system to professionally monitor. This monitoring service costs about $25 a month, but there aren't any contracts and you can cancel whenever you want with no penalties. That cool Simpli lock feature we talked about, you're also not going to get that without a SimpliSafe system. So by itself, you've just got a smart lock that uses a pin pad instead of a key, which in my view is still better than fumbling for keys or worrying about lost or stolen keys, especially if you've got roomies, kids, or like a dog walker that needs to come into your house regularly. On the bright side, this codependency with the rest of the SimpliSafe ecosystem means that if you're already in the SimpliSafe club, you're going to like the addition of this lock. Before SimpliSafe launched its own lock, your only option was the August Smart Lock. August works basically the same way that the SimpliSafe lock works, but it costs a lot more. When it comes to extras, the SimpliSafe Smart Lock only offers the most basic smart features, especially if you're not using it with a SimpliSafe security system. First, there's no Bluetooth. Even though I love a keypad lock over a keyed lock, my favorite is a lock that senses my approach and magically opens the door for me. But it's not really magic, it's Bluetooth. Smart locks that use Bluetooth can sync with your smartphone to sense when you're home, when you're gone, and when you're coming back up the walk. And then they behave accordingly, locking the door after you leave and unlocking it when you return. It's really the coolest. Another little caveat with the SimpliSafe smart lock is the limited voice control. Next to the magic of Bluetooth, voice control is my favorite. If a lock can't sense my every move, at least it can do what I say when I yell at it, kindly, and with all the pleases and thank yous, of course. And even though you can add voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to the SimpliSafe smart lock, it can't lock or unlock the door, especially if you're not connected to a full SimpliSafe security system. And that's a bummer, but it's not really that uncommon. Being able to ask Alexa to unlock the front door is a security vulnerability. Technically, anyone could do it. And since security equipment is designed to strengthen your home's defenses, not weaken them, most systems don't let you unlock or disarm with voice control alone. Overall, we always prefer a smart lock over a dumb one, even when it's stripped down and simple as the SimpliSafe smart lock. But depending on what you want out of a smart lock, this one might not be your perfect match. If you're already a SimpliSafe fan and have outfitted your home with other SimpliSafe equipment, it's a no-brainer to add this nifty device to your setup. It's cheap and it gets the job done, especially when it's integrated with a full monitored SimpliSafe security system. But if what you're looking for is a standalone smart lock that gives you mobile app control and possibly some more smart home integrations, the SimpliSafe smart lock just doesn't offer enough, no matter how affordable it is. If these three factors still leave you undecided, learn everything about the SimpliSafe smart lock, including how to install it, in our full review on Safewise.com. And if this got you curious about SimpliSafe's complete security suite, check out our video that reveals the SimpliSafe secrets you need to know to get the most out of its security system. But before you go devour all of that information, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel to get all the security insider info posted here at least 2 times every week. Stay safe.